Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Whenever season changes or kids gets exposed to new weather or starts going to school, one thing is for sure. In few days they easily catch common cold and cough. Not only kids, even adults get easily affected due to weather conditions that could be for several reasons. But one of the common reason is weak immunity. Hence in this video I have shared how to improve immunity and how you can easily treat common cold and cough for yourself and for your kids with few ingredients at home. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. These remedies are very healthy and have been tested and tried, and we have been following for generations at our home and have found it really beneficial. Hence thought of sharing. However, if you are allergic to any of the ingredients, do consult your physician before trying them. These drinks not only boost your immunity but also the best remedy to treat recurring cold and cough. One such plant that's my absolute favorite is karpuravalli plants. It's also known as Plectrans amboinicus. Hope I'm pronouncing it correct. That's oregano leaf called as Indian borage. Excellent to treat cough, sore throat, cold, even fever. Not only that, it's also used to treat hair issues like hair fall, grey hair, and it promotes hair growth. It's also good for weight loss. So the first immunity drink, which is the best home remedy in treating common cold and cough, is karpuravalli drink. I highly recommend to grow plants at home, especially the ones that are beneficial for our health, skin, and hair. This plant can easily be propagated. Just place a stem in the soil and it'll start to grow. It grows in a daylight and even on partial light, so it's best to grow in balcony. These leaves are highly aromatic. You'll feel the fragrance of oregano. You may simply wash and eat the leaves. However, sometimes kids refuse to have fresh leaves. That's why I prepare a drink that's kada. Plug the required amount of leaves and rinse them in water. You can consume as it is, but here I am sharing how I prepare for kids at home. To prepare this kada, I crush the leaves as you can see here. And here you can see the juices that gets extracted. You can consume as it is. For preparing kada, into a pan, add sufficient water. So here I am preparing for 2 cups. Once water boils, add a teaspoon of ajwain, that's carom seeds, and allow it to simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Ajwain is rich in anti-inflammatory properties and helps provide relief with discomfort caused due to cold, clogged nose, and chest congestion. It also helps in thinning the mucus and clearing nasal passage, enabling to breathe easily. Now to this I have added the crushed leaves and boil for a minute or two just to extract all its juices into the water. Now switch off the flame and allow it to rest for a while so it seeps well and infuses all its flavor into the water. Now let me show you how I serve this drink. So into a glass add 1 teaspoon of honey and then add the prepared kada. Honey helps in soothing cough and sore throats, and it also adds taste to the drink, especially for kids. They'll enjoy it. Now you can take this drink 2 to 3 times a day. Drink as warm as you can. A very refreshing healthy drink is ready. In case you don't have karpuravalli plant at home, then don't worry. Then you try this drink. This is another best drink, especially if you have cough and cold, by using ginger. Take an inch size of ginger, do not peel, use with its skin on, wash and take the required amount. And then crush the ginger. This is an age-old herbal solution used to treat stubborn cough and cold. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties reduces coughing, eases inflammation, reduces irritations, and relieves sore throat. So here I am preparing for 2 cups. So add the crushed ginger and add in 3 cups of water. We're going to prepare ginger kada now. Then boil for 10 to 15 minutes, as we're going to reduce the quantity to 3/4. As ginger has strong spicy flavor, to make it tasty and boost up its potential benefits, I add jaggery powder into it. This is sugarcane jaggery powder. Jaggery is a natural sweetener and it not only makes the drink tasty but also helps in clearing congestions and acts as a cleansing agent for respiratory issues. So add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until jaggery dissolves completely. And you can see a very healthy drink is ready. Drink it as warm as you can, and you can have this drink 3 to 4 times in a day. Moving ahead, I also give golden milk to my family at night, especially when they are unwell. For making golden milk, boil milk. And here I'm going to use another superpower ingredient that's loaded with lot of health benefits, that's palm jaggery. These are crushed palm jaggery powder that not only boosts immunity but also helps in curing cold and cough. I had made a separate video on how to make palm jaggery syrup at home along with its benefits info. We'll share the link in description, you may have a look. Once milk boils, add a pinch of turmeric and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of palm jaggery powder and mix well. Remember, as you add jaggery, immediately switch off the flame. Do not boil the milk as it will curdle it. Turmeric milk is one of the age-old traditional remedy that benefits in cold and cough, body ache, and also fights infection. And adding palm jaggery boosts immunity level. Now drink as warm as you can, and to find many more useful and healthy videos, you can go into my playlist and watch videos that will be very beneficial. Last but not the least, gargle with warm salt water 3 to 4 times in a day. Now sharing for beginners, just add teaspoon of salt and then add warm water, not hot water, and give a mix. And gargle it 3 to 4 times in a day. This gargle water soothes throat, reduces inflammation, and prevents and treats infection. Hope you like these beneficial remedy that not only cures common cold and cough but also increases your immunity. So stay healthy and happy everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another useful video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.